It is useful to get the way to find IMEI on iPhone. Here are 5 solutions for your reference. You can choose one of them to get the number if you need it. 1. Get the number from the iPhone back or SIM card tray. The back of your iPhone box. You can find out the box of your iPhone and the IMEI number is at the bottom of the box. If you have thrown the box away, you can go to see your SIM card holder. 2. Dial the universal code. To obtain your iPhone's IMEI number, simply dial 06. Your network provider will promptly display it on your device's screen. You can then note or copy it for reference. 3. Check out your iPhone menu. Open Settings from your iPhone's home screen. Select General, then tap About. Look for IMEI among the displayed device information. 4. Use iTunes to find IMEI on iPhone. Connect iPhone to computer. Open iTunes. Click on your device in the upper right or go to View Hide. View detailed iPhone info in the summary section to find the IMEI number. 5. Find the IMEI via Devices Preferences. Start iTunes on your computer. Go to Edit and select Preferences in the section. Choose the Devices category and move the mouse onto the name your iPhone. And then you will see the information of your iPhone.